Today was an event day. RBI monetary policy announcement at 10 a.m. My rule: no trades before 10 a.m. on this day. I broke it. Here's what happened. Today is Friday, 5th of June 2026, Nifty non-expiry session. But today was not a normal session. Market opened gap up above previous day high, but almost immediately it started falling. 23,500 was acting as a strong resistance zone, and previous week low around 23,480 was also rejecting the price. Market closed first candle below previous day high. That looked like a valid CE sell setup to me. I entered 23,450 CE sell before 10 a.m. before the RBI announcement. I broke my own rule. Previous day's closing level was acting as strong support, and with the RBI announcement approaching, volatility was extremely high. Market took support on this level and reversed and was trying to hold above previous day high, and my SL got hit. Loss in this trade was 2,400. Now, here is the important part. The logic of the trade was not wrong. 23,500 was indeed a strong resistance zone, and market did fall significantly after testing it twice. But it fell after making a lot of violent moves up and down. And these violent moves, that is what happens on a major event day. My original plan, wait till 10 a.m., would have avoided all of that volatility. A post-announcement entry would have given a much cleaner setup. The direction was right, the timing was wrong. And the timing was wrong because I broke my own rule. After the SL was hit, I looked for setups, and honestly there were setups that could have given significant profit, but the risk was higher because candles were very big. The market fell a lot after the RBI announcement, but the loss from trade 1 had affected my confidence. I didn't want another SL to hit in that violent environment, so I stopped. Now I want to reflect on this honestly. One lost trade, 2,400, stopped me for taking setups that could have returned significantly more. That is a psychological impact which needs to be worked on. A loss should reset focus, not shut it down completely. Missing profitable setups because of one loss, that is a different kind of cost. Overall loss of the day was 2,300. One trade, one broken rule, one loss, and several missed opportunities after that. Two lessons today, both honest ones. Pehla lesson: policy announcement day rules exist for a reason. No trades before major announcement. That rule was made from experience. Pre-announcement volatility is unpredictable. Candles are big, moves are sharp, SLs get hit easily. Today proved exactly why that rule exists, and the fact that the direction was eventually right makes it worse, not better. Being right about direction but wrong about timing because I broke my own rule, that is completely avoidable loss. Dusra lesson: one loss should not shut down the entire day. After the SL hit, there were valid setups available, but one loss had affected my confidence so much that I chose not to act. A loss is part of trading. It should not become a reason to stop seeing opportunities. Resetting after a loss quickly and cleanly is a skill I am still building. June experiment day 4, first loss of the month, but more importantly a reminder that rules exist for a reason. Subscribe to follow along as the experiment continues next week. Let's improve our trading one step at a time. Thank you and have a great day.